Okay, an explainer for question 20 from the stats questions I set you. This one, it's really straightforward actually. There's a lot of reading and it's testing some basic understanding. The climbers collect information of the height above sea level and the air temperature at 8 points. The points are summarised and there's a load of information given. Now, the PMTC, product moment correlation coefficient, for these data is minus 0.985. Give a reason whether this value supports the use of a regression equation to predict air temperature. The answer is yes, it does, because this value is close to -1. It would also work if the value was close to +1, but in this case, because it's negative, we're seeing a negative relationship. The higher we go, the lower the air temperature. And because this value is close to -1, or if it was a positive relationship, close to 1, we can see that it must be close to a straight line. Basically, if you plotted the points for the 8 values of meters versus air temperature, you would see something close to a straight line. So it does support the use of a regression line. End of this question.